Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A32 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Let me go to the capture mode because I wanted to show you the special type of a grid line. I've applied it before I've started the recording because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So all we have to do right now is to enter the settings, which are actually in the right upper corner, and then scroll down to the very bottom to find Restore Defaults. So let's tap on it and tap on Done. And as you can see, we just got back to the camera and we cannot see this spiral, this golden whatever, this grid line. So we can be sure that we just successfully reset camera settings. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.